Hey. I'll put this on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
If you'd like to check it out. What year is this? 76. Having a little fun with some of the people coming in. That's a pretty Cadillac. I like those wheels on it. Never seen nothing like that before. Huge wheels. Trying to kind of walk kind of slow and easy. My knees are already hurt. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice little Ford there. It's got a price on it. Let's see how much it is. It's like brand new. Beautiful car. $24,500. Beautiful car. How you doing, sir?
Okay.
There's something you don't see every day in this good a shape. At least where I live. That's a nice little 65 Chevelle. This 86 Z28. Sold new in Nevada. Remained there until 2017. 305 T-tops. 12.5. If you're interested in it, you can pause the video, read the whole thing. I'm trying to not make my videos real long because there's so much to look at up here. 12.5. Nice little OBS truck. 59 Ford. My uncle had one of these. 59. His was solid white. And I used to get my eyes when I was just a little kid, like 4 or 5 years old. I used to get my eyes and look through this little sight like on a plane. 27.9. 59 Ford. Thunderbird. Trade for something that fits 4 people. 71 Chevy truck. $355. Engine size in it. It's a good looking old truck, isn't it? So is this one right here. No price on it. Anyway, I'll get back with you in just a minute. Guys, I don't think I've ever in my life seen a Falcon police car like Andy Griffith showed. You know, he had full-size Fords. But I don't think the little light up there on the top's almost as big as a car, isn't it? But I appreciate somebody trying to make something, make it their own. $9,800. Can't say that I've ever seen one dressed up like this. Oh, Chevelle here. 68. Vintage AC. Chevelle in the back seat there. It's kind of cool. 39.9. Says it's a 396, but of course you don't know till you pop the hood. But that's a pretty car, isn't it? Square body there. 86 21.5. 71 Chevelle. 35,000 for that. Kind of look at this 72 454 big block. 56 Chevy, 58 or 9 Chevy truck, utility bed on it. There's a 69 Camaro RS. Looking at this 69. $70,000.
Our best offer.
Beautiful car. Okay. Okay. How you doing, sir?
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
I'm just fine. You? Little Chrysler wagon here. Kind of looks like bucket seats when the armrest is down, doesn't it? Real pretty car. Oh, there might be a price over here. I'm just trying to focus on ones that's got a price. I like that patina right there. As you know, if you've watched my channel very long. 383. Oh, 25,000 for this wagon. Pretty nice car. 28,000 for this square body here. Just trying to find stuff that's got a price. So maybe you can think about what you have that you're wanting to sell, or maybe dreaming about a car or truck that you're wanting to. Things are kind of priced high up here, of course, but you got a whole variety, both sides and everything, of cars and trucks to choose from. And I got to tell you, as the rod run goes on and gets closer to time to go home, the prices start coming down a lot of the time. Let's check out this Ford, if I don't get run over here. 64 Ford, gasser style. Doesn't say how much. Plexiglass. Pretty neat car. It's not something that I personally would want, but I mean, it is attractive. Ha ha, you lost. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Okay. 64 C10. I don't know how much it is. Might not be a price on it. Nope, no price. What is this, a 69? Yep, 69. Factory AC, cold AC, 16.5. CST, pretty neat. Brand new tires on it. Brian and Charlie left me going back the other way because they seen a bunch of cars on a trailer going to be unloaded further up the other opposite way of where I'm going, and they've already been up here, so this is my first time they've done seen all this stuff. So I just told them to, or they said they was going to go back up that way, and I said, well, I'm going to continue on this way and look at some of this stuff here. This is kind of interesting, isn't it? 4x4, 25,000. Let's trade cash talks. It's a nice truck. I don't know that you could build one for that. I always like blue and white. There was a, I'm trying to find stuff that's got a price. That looks like that stuff bed liner spray on this one. $33.9 for this one. 64, 5 lug, power disc brake, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. Runs and drives great. I like that aftermarket valve cover. Finned. Pretty sharp truck. This one's sold. 6-cylinder automatic. So, how y'all doing?
Doing well.
So if you think 6-cylinders won't sell, they will. I know for sure because I've sold several 6-cylinders. I've sold a bunch of vehicles up here before, back in the day. I'm sure if you've been up here, you probably have too. Oh, I think that's the Suburban Brian was wanting me to look at. How y'all doing? I'm having a good time. Looking at this little Suburban here. 76 LS, power steering, power brakes, factory, dual air, no compressor, 12.5. Trying to show you the insides if I can get the glare out of the way. I don't know if you can see or not. It's got a bench seat in it. Back here the glass is a little more tinted, but the seats look nice. Brian was wanting me to kind of look at this one and give him my thoughts on it next time I see him. So that's the reason I kept walking down this way, one of the reasons. Got the luggage rack, that's kind of cool.
Rained real hard Sunday night.
Bumper guards, GMC.
Yeah, the guy's a PT Cruiser.
Or it could be this one. I didn't see this one till just now. What y'all think about these huge Corvette style rally wheels on these trucks? Y'all like them or not? No, I don't think this one's for sale, but it is a beautiful truck. I'm going to say it's maybe a 69, but you don't never know. I mean, the grills can be interchanged. I don't know, but this one's not for sale. So I think I looked at the one just now that Brian was wanting me to look at. $22,000 for this Scottsdale 4-wheel drive. 86 with a 350. Looks like it's got a new grill in it. Guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll be making some more videos when I run across a whole bunch that's really interesting that has prices on it. Thank you for watching. You're watching Primer This Best on YouTube. If you'd like to subscribe, I sure would appreciate it. It'd make my wife, Mrs. BIB, and myself really happy. Leave me a comment on the prices and the vehicles that you like or dislike up here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, Fall Rod Run 2022. I'm on Instagram, Primer This Best, Facebook, Primer This Best. Got a Sega YouTube channel called Man on a Budget. That is me. That's that 70 Chevelle. And I appreciate if you'd subscribe to it too. God bless y'all. Catch you in the next one. See you later.